Hi everyone. Today we'll be learning about a very important topic in calculus, which is differentiation. So this video is about the introduction of differentiation, that what exactly differentiation means. Okay. So let's understand with the help of an example. Okay. So suppose there's a person and the person is traveling. Suppose the person is traveling 100 kilometers. The person traveled 100 kilometers in 2 hours. Okay, so there's a person and the person traveled 100 kilometers in 2 hours. So what is the average speed of this person? So we know that average speed is calculated by the total distance covered upon total time taken. So it will be 50 kilometer per hour. Now we can say that the average speed of the person is 50 kilometers per hour. But if I ask you to find the instantaneous speed, what is the meaning of instantaneous speed? Instantaneous speed is that speed at any particular instant. The average speed of the person is 50 kilometer per hour. But during the whole journey, his speed must have changed. There would have been certain times when he was fast, and there would have been certain times when he was slow. Okay, so the average speed is 50, but during the journey, there have been a lot of instances where his speed was either fast or his speed was either slow than this. Okay, so to find out the instantaneous speed or the speed at a particular moment, we use this thing, which is differentiation. Okay, so let's understand with the help of a graph. Suppose you have a horizontal x-axis which represents your time, and you have a vertical y-axis which represents your distance. And the curve of that person, the curve of the distance that that person has covered in a specific time, we have shown it with the help of a curve. Okay, now to suppose you have to find the speed of that person at point A. Okay, so at a particular instance you have to find the speed of this person. Now what happens, how you'll find the speed? First you'll draw a tangent to that point. Okay, suppose PQ is your tangent. Okay, so you'll draw a tangent to the curve and you'll find the slope of this line, slope of PQ. Now the slope of PQ is your speed, is your instantaneous speed. So how do we find the slope of PQ? We use the help of differentiation. So differentiation determines your rate of change of anything, of any quantity. Okay, because here the average speed was 50 kilometer per hour, but if we have to find his speed at a particular instance, okay, or at a particular moment, we use the function of differentiation. So differentiation basically determines how your object or how your quantity is changing at a particular instant of time. Okay, so if you're having any doubts in this or in any of the other topics, you can simply join our online community, which is our WhatsApp group. It is in the link is in the description box, so you can join it and you can ask any doubts which you are having. Thank you.